Good morning, dear students. This is your science teacher, and today I'm going to teach you science again. As you know that from last few videos, we were continuing with our 13th chapter of science, that is fun with magnet. Okay, in this chapter, we already discussed on the different topics like we already see that what is magnet and what is magnetic material and where the magnet is used in our daily life. What is the applications of the magnets in our daily day-to-day life? Okay, and the next topic, magnet, where it discover and how, why we can named it magnet, and types and different poles of the magnet we already discussed. Then the magnetic property or the both of the ends of the magnet, bar magnet, we already seen. Okay, then come to the next point, that is finding direction using magnet. Means why the use of magnet, how we can find the direction of uh, find the directions. Okay, so for this activity we take a suspended magnet. We take a suspended magnet. So by this we can try to understand that how magnet is work. Okay, so here you see that in this picture, here I stand on this stand by a thread. We can suspend a magnet. We can suspend a magnet. When we suspend the magnet, always it comes rest in which direction? North and south direction. Always north and south direction. This property has been used in olden days. This property is used in olden days to find the direction. Okay, when they are going through the forest or through the water, they going to any place, they are using magnet to find the direction. Okay, compass is a device. Compass, you know that what is compass? Compass is a device used to find direction now these days. uh, Sorry, before some days. What is compass? Compass, you see here, yes, it is a compass. A dial is made and a needle is fit, a magnetic needle is fitted into the compass. Here you see, and always north part of the magnet colored with red and south part with blue. Okay, so it shows the uh, directions on the dial. We mark the uh, angles you see here. These are the angles: 10 degree, 20, 30, so up to 360, 0 to 50 and 60. So the compass is used to find the direction, and we mark the directions like north, south, east, west, and some other direction: northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. We mark that and find the directions. Okay, so come to the back to the point. Compass consists of magnetic needle. Which constituent we need to make the compass? Magnetic needle, magnetized needle, a dial, and marked with directions inside a box with glass cover. Why we use glass cover? Because easily we can see the needle, which direction it shows. Okay, the freely rotating needle comes to the rest. The freely suspended needle comes to the rest in north-south direction depicted on dial. Always in the dial, it shows north and south direction. It means here the north direction means when we uh, if we know that we want to go 50 degree of the north, so we set we rotate the dial and goes into the 50 in this direction. Okay, so by this we can try to understand. Or suppose we want to go into the east direction. So this compass shows the north direction, north and south. So always we go in this direction. And if we want to go in west direction, so the magnetic needle always show north and south. So in the left of that uh, compass direction, we can go to go the west direction. Okay, so the north pole of the needle marked red and distinguishes it from the south pole with blue color. Okay, so it shows four directions: east, north, and south. Because north here, south here, and uh, the left side of the north is east, and the west side, the right side of the north is west. Okay, it freely suspended magnet always come to rest in north-south direction. Yes, we know. We already discussed that. This was here a compass. So we already see that a compass north pole of the needle is marked as red. North always marked as red, and south is blue. Yes, the next very important point of our chapter, making own magnet, means हम हमारी magnet कैसे बना सकते हैं. So to making the magnet, take an iron bar, and a magnet bar. Okay, and place one magnet pole, one pole, one magnet pole on the edge of the iron bar, like this. Here in this picture, this shows, yes, like this. It is a iron bar. You see here, it is a iron bar, and we touch the a pole of the magnet on a initial point. Suppose we it is suppose we make this in initial point. Suppose and touch the magnet here, and we slide this magnet on the iron bar in this direction. Okay, without lifting it continuous. How much times? For 30 to 40 times. We slide here and lift up magnet and again put on the initial point, and then again slide and lift here and again put into the that point. So in this way we can continuously for 30 or 40 times we can rub the magnet bar on the iron bar. So this magnet bar gaining the magnetic property, and it's also working as a magnet. Okay, but it is a temporary magnet. It works for a short time, but it gain the magnetic property. Okay, so by this process we can prepare the own magnet. Yes, the next point, making own compass. Here the yes, in last topic we see that making own magnet, and in this topic we see that making own compass. It is a very simple activity. In this activity what we do that we take some uh, things. First one, we take a cork and a magnetized needle, okay, and a bowl of water. Here we see a bowl of water, a magnetized needle, and a rubber cork. Okay, so with the help of needle, glue the needle to the cork. Okay, and set the cork in bowl, and set the cork in bowl which full of water. So we put the cork in this water with glued needle. So needle should not touch the water, but it is remember that needle touch should not touch the water. Okay, in this way we can paste or we can glue the needle on the rubber cork. And even after rotating a few times in any direction, what we see? we see that rubber cork move and so that it points north and south direction because of this magnetized needle. This magnet is stop in north and south direction. Okay, so by this process, by this activity, we can make own compass. Okay, a homemade compass. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, so you can ask. Good luck.